Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be reviewing this Graphene infused trim restoration cubes from Lithium. A link to these will be included in the video description. This is a kit intended to permanently restore faded plastic to a factory look. I did release a full application video on this product back in April this year. However, that footage was actually shot back in December when the weather was still reasonably warm. This footage here from my review was taken about a month ago to give you an idea how long this coating lasts for. We are looking at a total of about 7 months. This application process is fairly straightforward. Just a recap, the vehicle is washed to remove any contaminants. Compressed air and a microfiber towel is used to remove any water residue. Pre-applicator is used to remove any contaminants on the plastic. This is cleaned with a microfiber cloth, and gloves are also recommended so oil from our hands doesn't contaminate the surface. Allow that surface to dry then. Each of these cubes are individually wrapped. One cube can do a whole vehicle, but this also varies depending on how much plastic is there. Carefully rub the cube onto the plastic trim, working it into the surface. When done, then follow up with a clean microfiber towel to buff the surface, removing any excess product. This product is extremely easy to apply. There isn't any excessive smells if you are sensitive to such a thing. It's intended to restore faded plastic to its factory look, which it does. It doesn't leave a greasy or false glossy film behind. I have been testing it out on various plastics, smooth, textured, gray, black, etc., and all with excellent results. I even tried it out on my lawn tractor and was very impressed. It's said to stand up to 250 washes, which I haven't done yet, but it's definitely held up to the test of various weather conditions, such as the heat, extreme cold, snow, rain, and those washes in between. There's no maintenance required after the product has been applied. Overall, this product is the best faded trim restoration kit I've ever used, giving that factory look. This can be even used to protect your trim before it goes faded. Let's face it, faded trim is far from appealing on a car, just like hazy headlights. And the cost of the replacement isn't cheap either. Thankfully, this is an affordable option. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.